In this video, we're going to talk about whether we can upload Suno AI songs on YouTube. So here's the deal. I found this article that actually explains it all. So the first thing you want to take a look at is over here where they have their subscriptions. So on their official website, suno.com/account, you can see the subscribe option over here. In here, you will also be able to see the plans. And as you can see, there's Basic, Pro, Premier, and you can of course get more if you want to. So as you can see, the basic plan, it says it has non-commercial terms. When the Pro plan has general commercial terms, as well as the Premier plan, which also has general commercial terms. Now you may be wondering what this means, and I actually found some info that will help you out. So over here on this official Suno help page, support page, you can see it says a basic plan allows you to create songs for non-commercial use, while songs created with Pro and Premier plan include commercial use. Here's an easy way to break down the two categories. So commercial use allows distribution, which is putting your music on Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, etc. And then YouTube content, which means you can add your songs to content on your monetizing channel. You can also directly sell your songs and directly to customers, sell copies if you want to. And also you have the ability to do sync licensing, which is getting your songs placed in TV, film, or other video games. And then when it comes to non-commercial use, listening to the songs on Suno is allowed. You can download them and listen on any device, share the link or a downloaded file with friends, and you can use your music on other non-monetizing platforms. So what this means is that in case you're using the free version of Suno, you can't actually upload a song to YouTube because of course you don't have the right to do it because you have only the non-commercial use allowance, okay? However, if you have a Pro or Premier paid plan, you can do so freely, and as you can see, you can monetize it without any problems. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.